guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. I was taking a trip today and I happened to come across this in the parking lot. That's right, this is a beautiful 1984 Oldsmobile Omega. The X car, the X body, that would be the Oldsmobile Omega, the Pontiac Pontiac Phoenix, the Chevy Citation, of which I owned one proudly, and I think it was the Buick Skylark. But you don't see many of these on the road anymore. I certainly haven't seen a Citation, which was the most popular X-body car, in probably 4 or 5 years on the road. I'm betting there's probably less than 500 of these left in the country, and of those, maybe only 100 that run. But check it out. I mean, this thing's tagged and titled. I talked to the young lady who was driving it back and forth to work. Yeah, that's right. A young lady is driving this car as her daily driver. So I didn't get too close to the interior, but I did tell you it's got that burgundy cloth interior. The dash wasn't cracked. I mean, it was really in good shape for its age. But there it is, something you don't see every day, an X-body, 1984 Oldsmobile Omega. This is Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint.